Pleasure of being able to collaborate with our peers, being able to work with Imtiaz, Honor and Reema.
टॉकिंग अबाउट एक था टाइगर आपने सलमान खान को दबंग से टाइगर में कन्वर्ट करा है द ट्रांजिशन इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ यू
I mean, Salman, of course, has always been a mega star. I mean, it didn't take me to sort of recognize that. Irfan was a supreme actor. मतलब वो तो किसी भी फिल्म में किसी भी कैरेक्टर में आपको डाल दो, he would bring something extra to that. आज 10 साल हो गए हैं बजरंगी भाईजान को. I'm not a great believer in sequels, and that's why you see I never really do sequels to my films.
फेवरेट फूड स्पॉट
Chole Bhature of
Yeah.
Bengali market, Kareem's in the Jama Masjid area, Pandara market.
ब्रदर्स और लाइक फ्रॉम द फैमिली इज
जी
इट
जी कुछ लोग
सुना है
बोलते हैं कि थोड़ा सा नाक नक्शा हमारा मिलता है. I'm
And
not
the
really
smile
sure.
also, the bright
जी,
smile.
maybe I take that as a compliment because I think Karthik's a very good looking boy.
Hi, this is Gorika and I am with the legendary filmmaker Kabir Khan. How are you, sir?
I'm good, thank you.
And how does it feel to be the part of my Melbourne Film Festival? How is it like?
It's lovely because I think it's a very unique film. The fact that we've had the pleasure of being able to collaborate with our peers, being able to work with Imtiaz, Honor, and Reema to do a film like this. I think all kudos to Meetu to bring us all together. And it's a film that really celebrates diversity and inclusivity. We're all a bunch of diverse individual filmmakers with our own styles. We're telling diverse stories from Melbourne. The cast and crew is from so many different sort of backgrounds, and we all come together. And to be able to make a film to celebrate the city of Melbourne has been a very exciting option for us.
So, how is Delhi treating you?
Delhi is home because this is where I grew up, and this is where I studied, and left for Bombay much later in life when I decided to move towards big screen. So coming to Delhi is always home for
And
me.
your favorite food spot?
Too many to sort of put down, but if I was to go back to the days when we used to eat, one is very close to here, which is Bengali market. I used to be in modern school.
I'm just coming from that.
Okay, so the Chole Bhature of
Yeah.
Bengali market, Kareem's in the Jama Masjid area, Pandara market. So too many, yeah.
So, talking about your film 83, we just loved it. So, we have observed that Kabir Khan has a different kind of a love for cricket. So, in my Melbourne, this film festival, also the background, the backdrop is around cricket. So, we want to know your childhood memories of cricket.
Well, actually, contrary to popular belief, it's not that I'm some great cricket buff. Of course, I love cricket like any other Indian loves cricket. But for me, what I like about sports is the fact that you get these classic underdog stories, and that's what Sitara is. She's a girl who was a cricketer in Afghanistan. She had a dream of playing for the Afghanistan women's cricket team. A dream gets shattered when Taliban takes over, and then she has to run. And how in Melbourne, again, she finds her dream through cricket. So I thought it was a fascinating story to tell and celebrate the city of Melbourne through that.
So, talking about एक था टाइगर आपने सलमान खान को दबंग से टाइगर में कन्वर्ट करा है द ट्रांजिशन इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ यू सो व्हाट यू हैव टू से अबाउट दैट आपने सलमान का कौन सा ऐसा काम देखा व्हिच मेड यू फील दैट यस ही इज अ मासी एक्टर एंड ही इज द परफेक्ट चॉइस फॉर दिस टाइगर फ्रेंचाइज
I mean, Salman, of course, has always been a mega star. I mean, it didn't take me to sort of recognize that. He was always a mega star by the time I got in touch with him. But it was just something that, we saw in Salman. At that point in time, Salman had never worked with Yash films also. And both Adi and I felt instinctively that for Tiger, we needed somebody like Salman, somebody with the kind of stardom that he already has, who has the swag, who has the, style. And that's how it all started, and I'm really happy it went on to today it's called the Spy Verse, but Ek Tha Tiger is where Salman kicked it off.
सो टॉकिंग अबाउट न्यूयॉर्क सो जब भी हम इरफान खान की कोई फिल्म देखते हैं वी डू गेट टीयरी आइड सो आपने अभी कोई कोई ऐसी रिसेंटली फिल्म आप बना रहे हो एंड देन यू रियलाइज बैक इन द माइंड कि अगर इसमें इरफान होते तो आई थिंक इट वुड हैव बीन
इरफान वाज अ सुप्रीम एक्टर. मतलब वो तो किसी भी फिल्म में किसी भी कैरेक्टर में आपको डाल दो, he would bring something extra to that. So there are so many times when you're writing and you miss the presence of an actor of that caliber. So yeah, I had the privilege of working with him in only one film, and that's really too little. I wish I had been able to work with him in many more films, but I cherish my memories from New York.
So talking about बजरंगी भाईजान, जब क्लाइमैक्स आया था, आई एम टेलिंग यू, मैं इतना रोई, मतलब मैं मूवी खत्म हो गई, ऑडियंस वाज गॉन, आई वाज स्टिल क्राइंग. सो दैट जो उसने मामा बोला था, यू नो, इट वाज अ हार्ट टचिंग मोमेंट फॉर एवरीबॉडी. सो वी वांट टू नो कि ऐसी और फिल्में आएंगी, कब आएंगी, एंड इज इट अ पार्ट 2 कमिंग?
You know, honestly, Bajrangi Bhaijaan जैसी film तो I've realized now one of those films that come once in a lifetime. To get that kind of love, आज 10 साल हो गए हैं बजरंगी भाईजान को, एंड द फिल्म कीप्स गिविंग. मतलब एक दिन नहीं जाता है मेरी ज़िंदगी में जब कोई मुझे आके नहीं मिलता है और बजरंगी के बारे में बात करता है. आप जब भी टीवी ऑन करो बजरंगी चलती रहती है. So it's I'm really happy that we were able to create that magic. I'm not a great believer in sequels, and that's why you see I never really do sequels to my films. लेकिन हाँ, मुझे पता है कि बहुत प्रेशर है बजरंगी 2, एंड ऑल आई कैन से इज़ कि जिस दिन हमें एक ऐसी कहानी सुनाई देगी जो हमें वही एक जज्बा देगी जो पहली बार वो कहानी सुनने पे आई थी, we will definitely, I mean, both Salman and I know that if ever we get an idea that excites us, we will do Bajrangi 2.
So talking about Chandu Champion, first of all, many congratulations for the success, the massive success actually. So Kartik Aaryan को ना we have seen in this chocolate boy roles, और आपने उनकी पूरी छवि बदल दी है. So Chandu Champion के बारे में, when did you realize that Kartik Aaryan is the right pick?
So, actually, if you realize, and in the course of this conversation, I've never cast actors according to their pre-existing sort of, image. And that's the reason why I say Bajrangi, was loved so much, because Salman had never done that kind of a role. I'd only created this huge action star with him, but completely changed it in Bajrangi. Ranveer had never done anything like 83, and that became Kapil Dev personified. And so in Chandu also, I needed a certain youth and a certain naivety, which I saw in Karthik. I thought that he'd be very good to portray a boy's journey from the age of 16 to 25. And more importantly, he was ready to do the hard work. He was, he committed a year and a half to do a body transformation like we've never seen before. He became a boxer, he became a swimmer. So yeah, all kudos to what he pulled off in Chandu Champion.
Okay, one last thing. Have you got this that you and Kartik, you resemble a lot, and like it's like brothers or like from the family? Is it?
जी जी, कुछ लोग
सुना है
बोलते हैं, कि थोड़ा सा नाक नक्शा हमारा मिलता है. I'm
And
not
the
really
smile
sure.
also, the bright
जी,
smile.
maybe. I take that as a compliment, because I think Karthik's a very good-looking boy, and if people feel I look like him, I take that as a compliment.
One last message for the people, who are looking forward to my Melbourne Film
जी.
Festival.
I think, as I said, it's a very unique film. One doesn't get to see these kind of films on a regular basis. I wish there were more. So I think people should come, and it's a very small film that needs to be nurtured with love. A lot of people need to talk about it so that more people can see it. It's a very positive film, and it's brought together, 4 diverse filmmakers celebrating the city of Melbourne. And I hope more and more people get to watch it.
All the very best for all the upcoming projects, and thank you so much.